This is my snoring Raptune, and I just know what to say. I sleep very loudly, people snore. I sleep very early and sing songs. Snore, 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 get that in tune. Rainbow sunshines, no sleep. Snore louder than a big sheep. I'd rather sleep in a crib than go to Turkey. I don't sleep on a bunk bed because it's uncomfy. I climb walls so high, even though I sleep down. I sleep above the clouds. It just looks so comfy. I wish I could sleep there, even though I don't like light. Sometimes I run away in the fright. I like to eat fruit sometimes, even though it is